नहीं अभी 12 बच्चे हैं, मैंने भेज दिया उसको लिस्ट. Kids, can you again share your name on this in this chat?
Okay, sir.
Sir, in the private chat, like everyone.
Oh, I didn't pause or what? Pause recording. Yeah, I paused. So since I was not recording, just I told them the amazing fact that why you require two rays from a certain object so that you can see where it is. With a single ray, you will not be able to perceive the depth, and told us about an experiment over there. Okay. I can't repeat them all that all. So now somebody asked for a plane mirror. So I have to draw out of the million rays going out from here. I have to draw two rays, right, guys?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir.
I draw one. Ayo. I draw one ray, and then I follow the laws of reflection, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Now laws of reflection meaning to say I'll have to make a normal, right? Then measure
Yeah,
the
sir.
angle and then measure the angle again. Okay. Is that clear? But what we actually do is we actually do a bit of cheating. What is that cheating, guys? I mean, before doing the cheating, you should know what is the actual stuff. What is the actual stuff? What is that? What is the actual stuff?
Sir, what
Ray
cheating?
came, you drew a normal, right?
Yeah, sir.
And then you measured the angle with some instrument of yours, and then you reflected at the same angle, right?
Yes, sir.
But for this, you requires what? You require something to measure this angle and measure that angle, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, but we'll do rather a cheating and not draw the normal and do all this. What is that cheating? Because when we draw two of such rays, another ray I'll just draw in yellow so that it is looks different. Okay. When I draw two of such rays and retrace, where I get the image is exactly how much the object was in front, that much behind, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So we already know that fact. Okay, we know that because we have actually drawn through the hard work. But since we know the fact, we'll do that cheating, right? So I'll call it
Sir.
cheating again. Okay, because it is a cheating. So what we'll do is, one second, let me just complete my sentence. So around how much ever in front, that much behind, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
No, the image will be
Yeah,
here,
sir.
right? Right?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
So we know that when it is going to reflect, it will look like as if it was coming from there, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
Yeah,
first
sir.
we'll mark this point and then we will join like this. Then what happens? It is automatically going, you don't have to make the normal and all, it is automatically going to follow this exactly, incidence and reflection. You know that or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir. It will.
You do this like this, right? You do always like this, right? You always cheat, right? I'm promoting cheating over here, right?
Sir, yeah, sir, you can, yeah,
Yeah,
it's
Can do
cheating.
that.
yeah, okay. So this is allowed cheating, okay. So like this, if I draw any other ray, sorry, if I draw any other ray, I don't have to again sit back and do what I know it will reflect as if it is coming from here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
And I'll just draw like this. Then I'll draw the two beautiful eyes if interested. Not interested in the beautiful eyes, interested in drawing the beautiful eyes, okay. Then this eye will feel it is coming from here, this will feel it is coming from here, and this will be the location of the image, right? Right? That's your basic plane mirror diagrams. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, I asked a question in the class and they were not able to answer. Can I ask you also, guys?
Sure, sir.
There's
Please
a
ask.
man. There's a man. He's standing in front of a mirror. Okay. Suppose his eyes is like as high as the head and all. Okay. Anyways, height of the eyes is say 1.6 meters. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Look at his foot. To look at his foot and his head, whole of him, how long a mirror is required? Full length or not? How long a mirror is required? Full length or not?
Sir, not
Sir, not.
only the
So how long it is
bottom part.
required?
So only the bottom part is required.
Okay, so this mirror, if this part is there, he can look at the foot.
Yeah, sir, he can.
Yes,
How many
sir.
agree with him? Who is that?
So if the bottom part is there, right? That's what he
Sir,
told.
like the
Yeah,
bottom
yeah.
half.
If this part is there, if this part of the mirror is there, he can look at the foot. How many agree?
Sir, I think the bottom half. Yeah, somewhere in the bottom.
Yeah, just the foot, then this part, right? You're saying. Okay, he says if the bottom half is there, how many agree?
Sir, I say bottom half.
How many agree?
Yeah, sir, I agree.
Okay, bull crap. Okay. Okay, somebody tell me to look at his foot. Which part of the mirror is required actually?
For the part near the eyes,
Here, this part.
no, like the part where the light rays are gonna meet.
Okay, 1 second. Let me just number this. No, it is already numbered. No, 0 height to 1.6 height, right? Mirror. Around which part of the mirror, at which height? Like this is 0.8 height. This is 0.4 height. Okay. This is 1.2 height. Which part of the mirror is required such that this guy can look at his feet?
0.8.
Who is that?
Muhammad Atik.
Absolutely right, Mr. Mohammed.
Will be the half.
Yeah, sir, the half.
See how? Mohammed, tell me why and how? Fast.
The rays from the feet will hit
Yeah, absolutely right. Okay, I
and
think
then
he's going to say
reflect
the
on
right
side.
thing, so I'm just interrupting him. From his feet, millions of rays are coming. You are interested in which ray?
The ray hitting the
Who said
0.8
millions
part.
of rays come in the first go? I was so happy with that answer. Who said that millions of rays come from
Sir,
object?
I said
Who are you?
Aditya.
Aditya. Okay. So shiny shoes, right? Millions of rays coming. Anyway, shiny or not shiny, millions of rays coming. Which ray are you interested? Which on reflecting will go to your eye, right? So which
Yeah,
one does
sir.
it feel like? It will be somewhere like I'll take a foot over here. Okay, I'll take the feet over here, foot over here. Okay, it will be somewhere here. No, this is going to reflect and go to your eye, right?
Yeah, sir.
Right. And then you have two eyes, another ray which is very near to that from the same spot, another ray which is very near to that. I'm not going to draw two rays all the time. We know that two rays are required. I've already discussed that. This is what is required. Is that clear?
Yeah, sir.
So to look at your knees, suppose which part of the mirror will be required? Somewhere here, right?
Yeah, sir. 1.2.
So the upper half of the mirror is enough to look at the whole body or not?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah, sir.
people have a very bad feeling. People have a very wrong feeling. I'll tell you what wrong feeling they have. They have a wrong feeling that if this is the object, if I have to look the object into the mirror should be in front of the object. Absolutely wrong. If your eye is here, if your eye was here and you want to look at the object into the mirror, where should the mirror be? Somewhere here, no? Right?
Yeah, sir.
You have a mirror in your house, you just try it out, okay? A mirror which you can move. This is the object, and if the eye is here, where is the mirror required? Like the whole length. I have even class 11 people saying that, yeah, whole length is required. If this is the object, this part is enough of the mirror, right? Because ultimately, the light which is going to go to your eye is going to reflect on this part and go to your eye, right? Right?
Yeah, sir, it will.
Even if I keep the whole mirror, like will it be like brighter or something? Not at all. I mean, what is going to happen to light rays which are going here? Not even going to your eye, right? It is going somewhere else, right?
Yeah, sir.
You are not there. You're not everywhere. You're not God, right? This part mirror useless if you were there. This part of the mirror again useless. Why? It never went to your eye. Only this part is useful, no? If your eye is there, right? Get the point?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
I can have precise this much, but my eye is not always there. Sometimes I'm here, sometimes I'm there. So I'll require a large mirror so that I can look at the object anywhere I am. Okay. Is that clear?
Yeah,
Is it
sir, clear.
Okay. So generally I give them the distance between the mirror and the man and all, and they start using those values also. Whatever is the distance doesn't matter. Half the mirror will be required to look at the whole height. Is that clear? Okay,
Yeah,
then
sir.
any doubt you keep asking, because I have to do curved mirrors. This is what Lalit sir told me to do. And I don't want to disappoint him. Okay. First, I'll make two perpendicular mirrors. Is that okay,
Yeah,
guys?
sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. One mirror perpendicular to the other mirror. And I have an object here. Okay. Obviously, the man can look at the object directly. We are talking about looking at the reflections, right? So any one
Yes, sir.
you can choose first. Okay. If I'm looking into this, where will the object be?
Sir, behind, can you just name the
Behind.
mirror, sir?
Yeah,
Then it'll be easy.
M1 and M2.
Yeah, so it'll be behind M1
M1.
equidistance.
Absolutely right. So I'll use a dark pen to make it. The thing is, we'll do some cheating. We'll not make the ray. Again, we'll do the cheating. Okay. What is the cheating?
So just look at the object distance, then make the image distance.
Yeah.
Yeah, we already know the fact that it is going to be as much behind. Guys, pay attention over here, right? Excuse me. We already know the image is going to be here. I'll call it as image 1. Okay. I already know that. Now I have to make some supporting rays to make that, right? Get the
Yeah,
point?
sir.
Which ultimately goes to your eye and all. Okay. I have to make some rays. It can be any ray. Ray going over there will reflect in such a way that you look, but that ray will be going up. I'll just make a ray over here. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Even the ray, I'm going to make it later. Okay. I'll ask you something very. This is like where your mind is going to get little bit bothered. Shall I ask you something which can bother your mind?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Command. Oh no. I'll just duplicate this. Now listen very carefully, guys. Say this mirror was not there. Okay, first the mirror was there, right? Let me make it. The mirror was there. Mirror was there and this got reflected as if it is coming from here, right? Right? Something
Yes,
like
sir.
this, right? This was the mirror, right?
Yeah, sir.
Now suppose, very carefully you listen. Suppose the mirror was not there. And this mirror is receiving a light like this. Is it not? It's receiving a light like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Due to reflection or whatever, it is receiving a light like this. Forget about this object. It is receiving a light like this. So this mirror will think that this is the object, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, so that's the
This-
virtual
this-
object.
This part of
Virtual
the light
object.
is the light, right? Hmm?
Yeah, sir.
yeah, sir.
This part of the light is the real light, right? It is actually coming. It is coming.
Yeah,
It is
sir.
coming due to reflection from the other mirror is another story, but it is coming. So for this mirror, the light is coming from this guy, right?
Yeah,
Right.
sir.
Yeah, sir.
So this is the object. Where is the image formed of this guy?
Sir, it will be
Sir, can I tell?
Now, let me just go back to this point, this over here, to this point. This was the object. Remember, this was the object.
Yeah, sir.
This is the object. This was the mirror. Only this part is the mirror. That's the eye. Okay. Where is the image formed? If this is the mirror, is the image formed somewhere here?
No, sir.
Image is formed as if it was a full mirror, which is never required. How much ever it is in front of the mirror, that much behind, right? Because this light will seem to be coming from here, right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
yeah,
So
sir.
listen to a very important point that you don't have to have the mirror there. The mirror was only over here, but the image is formed as if you complete the mirror, as if you complete, and how much ever in front, so much behind. I'm not going to explain too much because I have to do something else today, but are you understanding this part? If you are
Yes,
not,
sir.
then
Yeah,
I'll
sir.
explain. If you are not, then I'm going to explain. If you are understanding, then I'll not going to explain. Like this
Sir,
mirror
you
is also
understood.
not there. Where is the foot seen? Foot will be seen. Foot will be seen here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
How much ever it was in front, that much behind the foot will be seen. Get the point? You don't have to have a mirror in front of it. Is what is my point? Okay.
Yeah, sir.
So similarly, in the same sense,
Sir,
if
the
it was,
I1,
where is the image? Where will the image be formed of this?
Sir,
sir, behind M2, same
M2.
equal
As if
distance.
you will complete it, right?
so you have
As
to,
if
Yeah,
you
first you have to extend M2.
extend
as if you
M2.
will complete it, and then how much ever in front, that much behind or not?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
And to justify that, you will say, okay, this ray came and this ray got reflected, right? Went to
Yes,
the
sir.
eye as if coming from this point. Get the point? And mind you, always there are two rays. Okay, with a single ray you can't do it, but second ray we are simply not drawing because it messes up the diagram. Is that clear?
Yeah, sir. It is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, will this image be formed on this mirror?
No, sir.
Will this image serve as an object for this mirror?
Sir, no.
Reason?
Sir, because the reflected ray is not going towards M1. So
If I
away.
make it somewhat like it is going like let me just clarify my question. You are right, by the way. Okay, I'm not saying that you are wrong. लेकिन ये मैंने reflected ray इस mirror पे गया, right?
Yes, sir.
This reflected ray went into this mirror. Therefore, you are saying
Yeah.
that this image formed over there, right? If I
Yeah,
had
sir.
made the ray like this, and the reflected ray, this is the reflected ray. Can you see the top? That is
Yes, sir.
that is not going on to this mirror too. Am I using that reason to say that this image will not be formed? It is getting formed, right?
Yeah.
So maybe I can draw some ray which can actually go onto the mirror like at a very slant angle, this and that. Give me a more solid reason. You're right, you're not wrong, but give me a more solid reason. And this, what you said is also right, that this reflected ray is never hitting this mirror, then how will it? The thing is, how we look at it is, this object, if it was the object, it is behind the mirror, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
You complete it, it is behind the mirror, right? So in no case, any reflected ray can go onto the mirror. Is that clear? The object has to be in front of the mirror. The object has to be in front of the mirror. Now let me just complete all this in a more proper, and because I'll give you a question based on this. So guys, coming back to reality, object its image will be formed over here. We know that, so I'm not going to do much debate on that. And the ray comes, the ray hits the mirror and gets reflected as if it was coming in this line. And obviously one ray cannot form an image, the other ray I'll make like this. That is also coming from, I mean, as if coming from there and it's over here. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
That is what is happening, right? Now I say that this mirror has a shiny side on this side, and this image is on the shiny side of the mirror, right?
Yes, sir.
Image is on the shiny side. Hence, it will also produce. It is going to produce because of the basic reason that this ray is going to reflect. कालू बाकी सब तो हो गए क्लासेस, जाओ सब में, संडे आज जाओ जाओ सब में फोन करके बोल दो, उससे ज्वाइन कर लो काल्स, उससे ज्वाइन कर लो 2-2 मिनट का, क्योंकि हाँ फोन से भी कर सकते हो जो जो क्लासेस चल रहे हैं ना। विघ्नेश को ले लो मीटिंग में और कर सकते हो। ओके, व्हाट वाज आई सेइंग?
We're talking about the reflected rays.
Yeah, let me pause to this. This is going to reflect, and again I'll have to do the hard work of making the angles and all. But if I use the logic, then what can I say? What can I say?
Objects
can-
from
That had
behind
this
M2.
mirror completed over there, then how much ever up it is, right? In dark gray, I'll
Yes, sir.
draw, so much down it will be, right? So somewhat it looks like this. I'm just doing by rough hand. Okay, so this will reflect as if it was coming from here, right?
Yes,
Right,
sir.
guys? Right, guys?
Yeah, sir.
And then these two rays go to your beautiful eyes and, oh no, and you perceive, right? Is this clear? Any
Sir,
doubt in
what
this?
about the rays hitting M2?
Yeah, that also, I'll do that. Okay, is it clear, everybody?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then the same sequence can start from this side also, right? From this side also?
Yeah, sir.
So if it starts from this side, then how much ever in front, that much behind will be the image, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
I'll just call it as, this was I1 and this was I1 dash. I1 was the image of O, and then I1 dash is the image of the image, right?
Yeah,
This I'll
sir.
call as I2. Is I2 in front of this mirror?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Front of
sir.
this
It will.
mirror? Yes, it is. Get the point? I'll treat it as an object and I'll treat it as a question, like I had a mirror. I had an object over here. Where is the image formed? La 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 la. So much in front, so much behind. Get the point? As simple as that. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Because there's
Yeah,
no
sir.
great deal in a real object of being over here. A real object would have given rays where this part was also real. This part, the dotted part, which is not like real. If it was a real object, then this part was also real. And the rays would have come like this, right? And hit. If it is a virtual object, still these rays are the ones which are going to actually hit and reflect are actually real only, right? These are actually hitting and reflecting, right? So had this point been a real object or it is a virtual, how does it matter to this mirror? To this M2 mirror, it doesn't matter, right? Are you getting the point? Eventually what is going and hitting the mirror is real rays. Is that clear?
Yeah, yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Sir, but then that real rays are not coming
अगर ये
from
जो था,
I1, right?
ये अगर ये जो था ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे, अगर यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट रहता, एक्चुअल ऑब्जेक्ट रहता यहाँ पे, if there was an actual object over here, get the point? And had I drawn two rays, 1, 2, will it be any different from this, like these two rays drawn?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No difference, right? Right, get the point? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now this I2 will form image where how much ever in front of M2 it is, so much behind, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir.
So if I do a little bit of geometry, suppose this was X in front. So this must be X,
Yeah,
right?
sir.
Yeah,
The
sir.
point. And say this was Y over here. I could have placed it anywhere, so it need not be a square. So this is suppose Y. This must be Y, right?
Yes, sir.
If this is Y, this must be Y, right? This part. So much up, so much up. It is straight in front, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sir.
So if I1 is Y in front of this mirror, which is not there actually, in front of this mirror, it is Y. So much behind it will be, this will be Y, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let us locate the I2 ka image of I2. Will it be bang on this or somewhere else?
There only,
Sir, it will
sir.
be
So
there only.
it is Y1, and how much in front of this mirror it is? It is X in front, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir.
This part is X in front, right? So it will be X behind it, right?
Yeah.
So it will come right on this or not? Because X and X
Yeah,
is
It will,
sir.
sir.
Y and Y, it is all perpendicular. These are all 90 degrees. So 2Y, 2Y, 2X. So X and X, 2X. So it is going to come right on the same spot. Right? Get the point?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
So only
Yes,
three
sir.
images are found when mirrors are kept perpendicular.
Yeah. So I'll give you a question which I give to higher standard people like 11th, 12th. But I hope you can do it. Okay. Okay, I'll make the question slightly normal, easy. Slightly easy. Okay, 60 degree. Can anybody just tell me how to do? And I have placed one object deliberately right in the angle bisector. Okay. Why? Because I'm making the question easier than what I give the higher standard, slightly easier.
So that means it's symmetrically placed.
Yeah, it is symmetrically placed. It makes your life slightly easier. Okay.
So what's the angle between the
60 degree. Now, who wants to tell me the whole story with respect to any one mirror? Meaning to say, whole story with respect to one mirror, meaning to say what? Meaning to say what? Meaning to say this, somewhat this. That I use this mirror as the first mirror. I get an image in that. That image is in front of this mirror. So I'll get an image in that mirror. Okay. That image is not in front of this mirror or that mirror. It is behind both the mirrors, right?
yeah,
So
sir.
end of story. Get the point?
Yes,
Till
sir.
the image is in front of any mirror, the story keeps on going. As easy as that. And later we draw the rays. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, who can tell?
Sir, I can tell you the number of images formed, the total number of
No.
images.
Not like that, sir. I want you. Everybody knows how many images form this and that. You do some crappy formula, you'll get it. Okay. That I'll just start. Okay. Image of this object. Image of this object in this mirror. I'll call it as M1 mirror. As you said, please name the mirrors. Okay. M1 mirror will be how much ever in front, so much behind, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. Now who can continue? continue this. Very easy. It's not like a very difficult thing. Image of O in M1 mirror is there. Sir, it is there. Like that you start and I'll continue. You will continue. Tell me. Who? Anybody? Speak up. Speak up.
Just 1 minute.
Okay, everybody agrees that the first image is here.
Yes, sir.
Everybody. Only I can see one person saying. Others get involved now. Do you agree that the first image is here? I1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what's the rule? How much ever in front, so much behind, right? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. After this, what? What was the story earlier? After this, what? What was our main inspection? I'm not even drawing rays. If I draw rays now, I'll get more confused. I'll draw rays later. Will this image serve as an object for any of the mirrors is my question. This one, the previous question.
Yeah, sir.
Will
Yes,
this
sir.
image serve as an object for any of the mirrors?
Yes,
It
sir.
will not serve for this. Why? It is behind that. But it will serve for this. Why? Because it is
In
on the
front of
shiny
In
side
that.
front of it.
right? So that kind of
Yes, sir.
question you will ask. Then you will ask, okay, this object, this image is now an object for that mirror. So where should it be formed? Had the mirror been a complete line, it would have been formed as if, I mean, as much in front, so much behind, right?
Yeah, sir.
Guys, like this, you have to think in this and you have to just complete the sentences.
Sir, in this case, where in the image 1, will that as a virtual image for M2, but where will that be formed?
What?
Sir,
If
If
Sir,
you
if-
started with M2, no, what are you asking? I
sir.
did not hear. Yeah.
No, sir, if I1 acts as a virtual image for M2,
Yes,
where
yes.
will it be formed?
First, you have to declare that it acts as a virtual image for object for M2. Does it?
yes, sir,
Yeah,
it
sir, it
does.
does.
Yeah, everybody agrees?
Yes, sir.
Everybody,
Yes,
yes, sir.
sir.
10, 12 people sitting. Everybody, you tell me. I'll ask
Yes,
a name
sir.
and ask. I'll ask. Yes, Mr. Vanch, fresh from the bathroom. Mr.
Yes, sir.
Vanch, they say that this image will act as an object for this mirror. The reason?
I don't know.
No, then why are you not asking? You're just sitting like half an hour. We are saying the same thing again and again.
Sir, can I answer?
If you don't know, then your job is to ask, as simple as that. Otherwise, how can I guess that you don't know if some people are already knowing it? Prakarsh,
Yes, sir.
this image, they are saying acts as an object for this mirror M2. I1 acts an object for M2. What is the reason if they are right? What is the reason if they are wrong?
Sir, I don't know.
By God. Like instead of me picking you, I don't know. Can't you simply ask? Who all doesn't know? Just ask, no.
Sir,
Yeah, who is that?
sir, Nitigya, my computer's crashed. Can I just restart it and come?
Yeah, okay. But how are you speaking then?
Sir, the video is gone, but my audio usually works. So I can't see what you're screen sharing.
Okay. Anybody who doesn't know, speak up right now.
Sir, your voice breaking.
आप सब होने लग जाएगा. Voice break सब होने लग जाएगा अब.
No, so that's for him only.
Anybody who doesn't know, speak up right now. Okay, I'll ask somebody. Vaishnav?
Yes, sir.
Why is this image acting as an object for this mirror M2?
Sir, is it because like the incident ray of the object, it falls on the mirror and then the reflected ray will land on the other mirror. So
Yeah, but
the
last time I said, yeah, that is correct reason. But last time I said I can make the incident ray fall in such a way, like incident ray falling like this and going somewhere else. So that is a good reason, correct reason. But a more simpler way, how do you look at it?
Sir, can I tell?
No. I mean,
So
it
can
means
I
that
tell?
people are not listening to me. They are just whatever is there in their head earlier, only that thing. Tell
Sir,
me,
can I tell?
who are you?
Aditya.
No, Aditya and Tushar, you're already speaking, no? Rida,
Yes, sir.
yeah, why is this image an object for that mirror?
So, because the incident ray of the image falls on the mirror.
This is not what I was saying till now. This is not at all what I was saying
Sir,
till
can I
now.
tell?
I can again repeat. Yeah, who are you?
Arunashri.
Who, Shri?
Arunashri.
Arunashri. Tell me.
Sir, because the image I2 is present in front of the mirror M2.
Absolutely right. As simple as that. Very good. Very good. Why the other reason is not taken? Because when the things will get complex, you'll not be able to make it. Okay. This image, whether it is image or object, it is in front of this mirror. As simple as that. The mirror is having a shiny side that way. Is it clear? Guys, I'll repeat 10 times if you ask me, but if you don't tell, then I really get pissed off, man. Aditya Kayal, Vaishnav, Aditya
Yes, sir, I
Raman,
understood.
Aditya Raman, Vansh,
So what, sir?
Anya Seth, Divij, Nitigya, Rida. What
Sir, I
is
wanted to answer.
what?
Sir, I wanted to answer.
Yeah, okay. Who doesn't understand what she said? You have to see whether it is in front of that mirror or not. Is that clear? This is a mirror. If this is an object, it is called in front. This is called front. This is called front. This is called front. This is also front. Why? The mirror, if it was there, it could have been there. This is called front. Why it is called front?
Because if the image was,
A ray can go, as they were saying, a ray can go here and be incident on that. Okay. This is all front. What is behind? This is behind, 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 this is behind. All these are behind. Get the point?
yes, sir.
So if I complete this mirror, obviously this is way in front, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next step is, if it is in front of a mirror, forget about it was virtual or something else. If there is a mirror and there is an object in front of it, where is the image formed? Like this object, where will be the image formed? If red is the mirror.
Sir, if the
Tell me your name first now.
Tushar,
Sir,
No, not Tushar.
sir, can I answer? I'm Aditya.
No, Aditya. You two are answering already. If this is the mirror and this is the object, where is the image? Is my simple or difficult or whatever question. First we decided that yes, it is in front, it will have an image. Where is the image? And this is what we are discussing from the starting. जब वो आदमी बनाया, आदमी का image बनाया, where your eye was doesn't matter. Your image will always be here.
So that's going to be the perpendicular distance, right?
Why? What? No. First tell me your name.
Sir, Aditya
Let
Kayal.
let me just clarify one more thing over here. Since people are struggling at this level, I thought I'll do concave mirror. So neither I'm able to do justice to this because I'm doing this fast, nor I would be able to do concave mirror. I am doomed. You are doomed. So what was I saying? What was I saying? Yeah. Let me just complete this. This is the foot of the man. The reflection of the foot will be here. Okay. Right? Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Reflection of the foot will be here. Irrespective, a small boy from here is seeing, somebody from here is seeing, or here is seeing. If the foot is here, say half a meter in front, 40 centimeter in front, 40 centimeter behind will be formed. Whether you are seeing or not seeing, or your eyes are here, your eyes are here, your eyes are there, your eyes are anywhere. Some guy from here is wanting to watch your foot. Then the ray from the foot goes like this, goes to your eye. It is as if it was coming from here. Somebody over here is wanting to watch your foot, okay, as if your feet are very beautiful. Then a ray from the foot goes over there, reflects as if it is coming from here. Is it clear? Somebody is wanting to
Yeah,
watch
sir.
from here. A relevant ray will go. Shall I keep on drawing, or you say yes, 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 I got it?
Sir, I got it.
Yes, sir, we
Yeah,
understand.
this pink ray, no, not Aditya and Tushar.
So,
Is it clear? The foot is there only. There are millions, like somebody said, that was such a beautiful word. Millions of rays are coming. So you
Sir?
can be in millions of places, different places. Your image of the foot is here only, and those different rays are going to justify where you are and where the image is formed. Yeah, what?
Sir, but if like the mirror was tilted, what would have happened?
Yeah, okay. We have a tilted mirror that case. No, is this part clear?
Yeah,
Is this
sir,
part
it's clear.
clear? Hmm? Is this part clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tilted and all, you can tilt your head and watch the whole thing. So for that sake, I've actually given you a tilted mirror. So you can't ask me the question back. So this is the object. That's the mirror. Wherever is the eye and all, doesn't matter. There will be image formed at a certain place. First, you have yourself told that it is in front of the mirror. Some guys, in other words, they were saying that a ray can go and hit and reflect, right? A ray can go, right? This is the object. Where is the image formed of this ray? Apart from
Can I
Tushar
tell?
and Aditya, somebody speak your name.
from at the same distance from
Who is this?
Nitigya.
Nitigya, yeah, tell me.
So, whatever is the distance of the object from the mirror right now, exactly opposite to that at the same with the same
Like
distance.
here,
Yeah, sir.
here to here, here.
Yeah.
This is like 2 meters, then 2 meters above.
I guess so.
Absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. Absolutely badly wrong. If a ray goes, hits the mirror, I guess it will reflect somewhat like this if I have to follow the laws of reflection, right?
Yeah, sir.
Does it even come does it even look like coming from there?
No, sir.
Somewhere you saw, no? It looks like coming from somewhere here, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, somebody tell me where it is. Somebody tell me, please. I'm getting a little desperate over here now. Somebody,
Sir.
where is the image formed? अभी इतना फुट वुट किस लिए कर रहे थे अपन?
Sir, can I still not answer?
Sir, can I still not answer, sir?
No.
So the image is formed behind the mirror.
Who is this? Who is this?
Rida.
Rida, yeah, tell me Rida.
So the image is formed behind the mirror.
Yeah, where? Here, where?
Um,
He also said behind the mirror. He said how much ever in front, 2 meter in front, 2 meter behind I went, and somewhere here he said.
So it's like wherever the reflected ray is, it's like if you extend the reflected ray behind, it will be
Like
shown.
how long? It can keep on extending like infinity. Yeah, that's right. What you're saying. What you're saying is absolutely right.
Sir, can I answer?
Who is this?
Sir, Aditya Kayal.
Are you the other Aditya?
Yeah, the other
Okay.
one.
Okay.
So you can just draw a perpendicular line from the object to the mirror and it should be
How do I
equidistant.
draw perpendicular from here to the mirror? Tell me, how do I draw?
So you can just
Here to here it is not perpendicular.
so you can extend the mirror a bit.
Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Rida, you are right, but then you have to draw two rays and then you have to take a protractor, draw normal, get the angle, and then only you'll get it. Okay. Therefore, again, I'm saying you'll use the cheating. What is the cheating? You already know that how much ever in front, that much behind. Okay. So
Yeah,
behind,
sir.
which part behind? Somebody got it absolutely wrong that you have to go behind this way. No. And somebody was asking, like, if it is tilted, then what? See, then what? You assume as if it was a full mirror. As I already told you, even if it is half mirror, you'll be able to see. Imagine you go to your washroom, there is a mirror, you're watching your face. You're watching your face, right? Whether the mirror is a full blown mirror till your foot or it is not, will it make a difference in how you watch your face? Will it?
No, sir.
No, it is not, right? It is not like your face is going to go somewhere else if it was a full mirror. Okay. So if this is a full mirror, then yeah, Aditya Kayal, what were you saying?
So we can just draw a perpendicular line from the object to the mirror and then the image is going to be equidistant.
Yeah. So object to mirror, I'll draw perpendicular. I already know that how much ever in front, that much behind. Front of what? Front of as if the mirror was, I mean, front doesn't mean this is the front. Front means so much front, so much behind. Is that clear? Here is where the object is going to be, image is going to be formed. Is that clear? Which now you can just make easily, like, yes, this it seems as if this ray was coming from here. The ray I have not drawn very correctly. Okay, so it is not coming correctly. I'll just rub and draw this ray. Therefore, drawing the ray is more risky. Getting the angle right is more risky. You know it is here. The reflected ray would be something like this, right? Get the point? So I'll again repeat the point. Listen very carefully because I don't want you to make a mistake any longer. It is neither going to come in the exam or anything, but it opens up your mind and you understand stuff more. Okay, so please pay attention. You have an object over here. First, you will say that yes, it will have a reflection in the mirror. Why it will have a reflection in the mirror? Because it is on the front side. What all is considered as the front side? All of this is the front side of the mirror, right? What all is the back side? What all is the back side? All of this is the back side of the mirror. Get the point?
Yeah, sir.
Get the point? First, you have decided it is on the front side. It has to have a reflection. Next, to get the reflection, if you don't find the mirror in actual front of the object, imagine that it is there. Extend it. Then we have the rule. I mean, we have made a rule out of it that how much ever front, that much behind it will be. And this is where the image will be. Is that clear? Once you have that, you can make your fancy rays to justify it. That a ray came, it must have hit, It must have reflected as if coming from that point. Another ray came, it must have hit. It would have reflected as if coming from that point, and it will go like exactly correct diagram will come. Is that clear?
Yeah, sir.
Sure?
Yeah, sir. Clear.
Who is that?
Aditya.
Shut up, man. Shut up. You already know it, no? I'm asking the others. Others, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Who said this? Yes, sir.
Sir, the other Aditya.
Ayo, now that Aditya also I know you are answering. Somebody else. Is it clear, guys? नहीं है तो पूछ लो. Again you ask.
So can you explain it once again?
What?
Can you explain it once again?
Yeah, I can explain. If this is the object and this is the mirror, who is that? Speak up.
I'm so Vaishnav.
Vaishnav. If this is the object, this is the mirror. First, I have to ask you. First, I'll ask you whether you'll get an image or not. First is question whether you'll get an image or not. Answer to that is whether the object is in front side of the mirror or back side of the mirror. If it is in front side, you'll get. If it is back side, you'll not get. Is this line clear?
Yes, sir.
So what do you think? Whether you'll get the image of this or not?
So you'll get it.
Why? Because it is
In the front of the mirror.
Okay, forget about because the incident can go and this and that. Forget about all those things. Because it is in front of the mirror. Is that clear?
Yeah, okay.
What are the fronts of the mirror? What are the fronts of the mirror? Anything this side is the front of the mirror. Okay. All of this is front of the mirror. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
You don't have to have the mirror all over. Is that clear? And all of this is behind the mirror. Is that clear? So if I say another object is kept here, object 2, will I get a image?
No, sir.
No. Here, no. Here, no. Here, no. Here, no. But if it is kept here, here, I'll change the color. Here, 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 you will get an image, right? First you have decided, yes, I'll get an image. Then comes question number 2. Where will that image be? Where will that image be? Had the mirror been a full mirror like this, the location of the image doesn't change. Going back to that leg and the human being concept. Okay. You have the full mirror or you don't have the full mirror, the location of the image is going to be same. Are you understanding? If you don't understand this part, tell me again, I'll explain this again. कहाँ गया? Vaishnav?
Sure, yeah, I understood.
If this is the foot, it will be so much behind. Whether you had mirror only here, only here, only here, doesn't matter. Okay? Okay?
Yeah, okay, sir.
So best is to make your mind calm down. You make a mirror like full on from here to there. Either make or just imagine so that you can have a easy thinking. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So where was the question, man? Yeah. So if I ask you, where is the image of this O on this mirror? You'll not concentrate on this mirror, because if you concentrate over here, your mind gets all, confused. Okay. What you'll do is you'll say that, let me make a full blown mirror. Then the question looks easy. Then the question looks in fact nothing. That like if this was a mirror, where is the image? How much ever in front, 90 degree you drop, that much behind, right? Or wrong?
Right.
No,
Right.
that person.
Right, sir.
Yeah, that's the answer. Now, if you have to justify the answer with actual rays, then obviously there was no mirror over here, right? Mirror was there only, right? So if you have to justify the answer with actual rays, you'll make the rays where the mirror was. You'll not make the rays in like thin air. Get the point? And you'll say that it must be getting reflected as if coming from that spot. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Now 4 people, it is clear. Now I have to deal with the rest 7 more people, right? 6 more people. Guys, is it clear? Other guys?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
So apart from these 4, the rest will answer. Before I go on to the question, I just want you to answer this. I can't keep on making a question. It's quite difficult. This is a mirror, okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
This is an object. 1, this is an object. 2, which will have an image? Both 1 or 2 or both will not? Which will
So
have an image?
object 1 will have.
So object.
Who is
Object
this?
1.
Who is this
Object
answer?
1.
Nitigya.
Siddharth.
Okay. No, Nitigya, you also don't answer. Those who have spoken till now don't answer. Okay. Object 1 will have. Where will be the image? Answer somebody. Tell your name first. Where will be the image?
Sir, can I answer?
Who are you?
Sir, Aditya Kayal.
अयो हो गया ना ख्याल तेरा ख्याल समझ में आ गया मेरे को.
Okay, sir.
Somebody else.
Sir, can I try?
Who are you?
Prakarsh.
Huh? Yeah, Prakash.
Prakarsh.
Thank you. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, if you extend the mirror, then it will
Yeah.
be formed equidistant.
With all means I'll extend. Okay. Then
Then it will be formed on the other side of the mirror, equidistant.
like here, there, where? Drop a 90, right?
Yeah.
Drop a 90, right?
Yes, sir.
Then equidistance. Yeah, absolutely right. Okay, thank you very much. Got it, everybody? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now shall I come to the question? Now what is in front can be image also, don't worry. It can be image of some other object. What is in front will have an image. Whether this was image or object doesn't matter. Is that clear? Is that part also clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let me come to the question. Where is that question? Yeah. Bhai, this I1 will have a image in M2 or not?
Yes, sir.
It is way in front, right? It will have. How to get that? How to get that? Somebody, how to get that?
Sir, Nitigya, can I answer?
Yeah, okay.
So you extend the M2 mirror.
I don't think it is required to be extended, or it might be.
Slightly.
Yeah,
maybe.
okay. Yeah.
And then you get a perpendicular from I1 to M2.
Okay.
And with
I'm
the
not
same.
getting into geometry of all this, but if you do it exactly, no, with your this thing, it is going to come there itself, okay, at the center point, okay, the perpendicular. Why it will come? Can anybody tell me why it will come there? Mine is not coming properly because I have not drawn properly. Okay, so mine is a wrong, little bad diagram. Okay, why the perpendicular will come there? Can anybody tell me? I'll tell you why. Look at my hand. This was what? 30 degrees, right?
Yeah,
Right?
sir.
Yeah, sir.
This was 30 degree, right? because it was given 30, 30, right? And this will be equal to that angle, right? Because of congruent triangles. This will also be 30. So 30, 30, 30 will become 90, right? Anyways, so Nitikya is saying the right thing, that how much ever in front, so much behind, right? So I'll just make a guesswork over here. I might not be exactly correct. Okay. Because I'm not using any scale. I'm just marking with my hand. Is that okay, Nitikya? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
What shall I call it?
Sir, I1 and a colon maybe?
Yeah, the reflection of I1. So I1 dash, right? Now somebody else, apart from the two Adityas and Nitigya and Tushar, somebody else tell me, will this form an image on any of the mirrors? Tell me your name and tell me.
Divij.
Yeah, Divij.
Will form on M1.
Okay, Divij says M1. How many agree?
So me, Vaishnav.
And?
So me.
Yeah, it is forming on M1. Why? Because it is in front of M1, right? Already it is clear that whether it is image object, nobody cares, right? This is your M1 and it is in front of M1, right? Right, Rida? Rida? Rida gone. Rida? If I had a mirror like this and I had an object like that, will it form? Yes, it will form, right? Because it is in front. That is the case over here. That's the mirror. And that's the object. Is that clear? Is that clear? So if it forms, where will it form? How do you do it? Somebody tell me your name and tell me. Vaishnav?
Yes, sir. If you extend the mirror a bit.
M1, right?
Yeah.
Bit nahi beta, yahan pe to long bit I have to extend, right?
Yeah, it's very long.
Yeah, bit se to kaam chalega nahi. Yeah.
And then you have to take a perpendicular from the I naught image, and then
absolutely right.
Down, and then the image will form equidistant, like the distance between I1 and the mirror.
Yeah. So I'm just roughly making it equidistance. Okay, this is what you're saying, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, bang on. Thank you. So what shall I call it? It is a reflection of I1 dash. So can I call it I1 double dash?
Yeah, sir, sure.
So this is the whole trace of I1, right? Now we'll further continue.
Sir, I have a doubt.
This I1 double dash will serve as an object for which mirror?
Sir, none of them.
No, don't speak like that. You have to tell your name.
I'm Nitigya.
Yeah, Nitigya, very good. None of them, he says. Why?
Sir, because it's on backside of both the mirrors.
Behind both the mirrors. So end of story of this cycle. Is that clear? It is behind this mirror also. It is behind that mirror also. It is in this range zone.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Right? Is it clear? I hope you can do tougher questions now if this concept is clear. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So if the same story I start with this, some 1% tell me your name and you can complete the story. Somebody. I started with this mirror, right? First image and then the image of image and then the image of image of image, right? Can I start with this mirror? Somebody tell me your name. Tell me your name fast.
Can I ask a doubt?
Yeah.
Sir, the screen isn't enough, I guess, for this.
No. You just tell. Who is this asking a doubt? First, let me ask. Tell the doubt. Address the doubt. Yes, doubt, guy.
Yes, sir. So is I1 double dash and I1 parallel?
I1?
I1 and I1 double dash, are they parallel?
I mean, they're on the same horizontal level. Yeah, if you do the geometry, it will come. Okay, but I'm not bothered about that right now. First, I'm bothered about whether you got it, how to get or not. Okay. I've taken pretty numbers like 60 degree, 30, 30 and all. Yes, it is going to come on the same level. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, why it will come? you can do the geometry. Okay, this will be this is 30, this is 30, this is going to be congruent to that. This height is same as this height, right? These two triangles will be congruent. So this height will be that height, but that height is equal to this height, right? So it will come back to the same level. Okay, now somebody continue and tell me, if I started with this mirror, what will happen? Object on this mirror, where will be the image?
So you'll have to slightly extend M2 a little bit, I guess. Oh no, not needed.
No, not who said extend? बार बार मैं extend करवा रहे हो, not required. Okay. So it will be as much in front, that much behind, right, guys? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, and shall I call it as I2? Now somebody tell me I2 will serve as an object for which mirror?
So serve as an object for M1.
For M1, right? It is in front of M1 but behind M2, right? So at least I'll have another one, right? Another image formed, right?
Yes, sir.
I'll just, ayyo, no. I'm giving myself little space. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll drop a perpendicular on that. Okay. And if I do a geometry, it just matches. So how much up, that much down. So I hope I am slightly okayish right over here.
Yes,
Is
sir,
that
that's
clear?
correct. Yeah, sir.
Okay. What shall I call this point as?
Sir, can I tell?
Abol?
I2 dash.
I2 dash. Will it serve as an object for anything?
Sir, can
Yes,
I tell?
sir.
Yeah, who are you?
Sir, Aditya.
Yeah, tell.
Sir, it will serve as an object for M2.
Absolutely right. So how do I draw? I extend the M2 first, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Extend it a bit.
थोड़ा सा extend करने दो मुझे. अयो.
And so how much if it's how much it's in front of
How
the
much
mirror?
it will be equidistance?
Equidistance at the back of the mirror.
Okay, if
Sir,
you
so
do
it
some
will be
geometry, no. If you do some geometry, it will fall on that, by the way. Okay.
Sir, so totally
I mean, it is not because I have not made
5
it
images.
very like that. It falls exactly on that. So what will this be now? What will that be called?
I1 dash. Same
Sir,
thing.
can you just?
It will be called I. Bolo?
I2 dash dash.
I2 and then those two colons.
I2 double dash, right?
Yes, sir. So, but then I1 dash dash and
Okay, so
I2
in the
double
higher
dash.
standards, no, I don't make them fall at the same spot so that they get and calculate distance and all that becomes very tough. Okay, but you have understood the concept, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir, if understood.
Now, will this I2 be on any mirror?
Sir, can I answer, Aditya?
Yeah, answer.
No, sir, it's
No,
behind
it is
both the
behind
mirrors.
both the mirrors. It is behind this horizontal mirror. It is behind that slant mirror also, right? So these are the images found, right? Beautiful
sir.
hexagon you'll get. Okay, so 5 images.
Sir,
Is
they'll
that
be
clear?
congruent, no?
What? What?
No, nothing, sir.
Okay. Now in concave mirrors, since I don't have time, I'll just tell you one thing and then maybe next class we'll do. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Listen very carefully, very, very carefully. If I have to draw the reflection of this object, what do I draw? I have to draw 2 rays, right? First,
Yes,
I have to
sir.
draw 2 rays. Is that clear?
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
Then what happens to the 2 rays is another story. You have to draw two rays. If I draw the laws of reflection, then what I have to do?
Angle of reflection equals to angle of incidence.
Incidence. So how do I draw that? I have to draw the normal first. Okay.
Sir, you can just
Luckily in a
connect
curved
the.
mirror, what is the normal?
Sir, you can just connect the point of incidence to the center of curvature,
Sir,
and that
Center
is
of
your
curvature.
normal.
Absolutely right. Okay. So
Sir,
hang on. You should be knowing these things. Okay. Very good.
Yes, sir.
1 second. 1 second. Let me complete my words and then you say. Okay. Let me complete. Very fast. I'll complete. This is the center of curvature, right?
Yes, sir.
So what I'll do is I'll draw a normal from here, meaning to say, if I connect center of curvature to the point of incidence, luckily it automatically becomes the normal. Okay.
yes, sir.
And then I do the hard work. I measure the angle. I'll come and measure the angle of incidence. Measure this angle and then redraw the same angle over here. Same way I measure the angle and redraw the same angle over there, right? Get the point?
Yes, sir.
And if the rays are going to meet somewhere, let me just make them meet. Okay. Then there is the image formed, right? Right,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Now this is like little bit of hard work. Where's the hard work? Measuring the angle, right?
Yes, sir.
So we'll
Yes,
do
sir.
some cheating. If we can measure the angle, do you know that you can draw just any ray and you'll get the answer? I hope you know
Yes,
this.
Sir,
sir. Sir, you can
One
just
second, one
take
second,
favor.
one second.
yeah, sir, you
Even
can.
if I had drawn like this ray and do all those things now of making the normal and all, it will also reflect and come to the same spot.
Yes, sir. So you can just take.
If I do this ray, this will also come to the same spot. Let me just draw. Okay, let me just draw. If I do this ray, this will also come to the same spot. Like somebody said, millions of rays are coming. Obviously, millions of them are coming, and all of them are forming the image at this spot. This is even higher standard people don't understand. Okay, all these million rays are forming the image at this spot. This is the object, this is the image, out of which we choose to draw only 2 or 3 rays are known rays, right?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because
Sir.
drawing those 3 rays avoids measuring the angle, avoids this hard part. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. We know
Yeah, sir.
where they're going after reflection, so we
Yeah,
can just
so
choose
Yeah,
them.
sir.
what are those 3 rays?
So one is parallel to the principal axis, one is going
One parallel
Parallel.
go through the focus. Okay.
One
and
will
one
one will go
Actually a
through the
wrong
focus.
statement, which I tell in the 11th, 10th why it is wrong.
sir, and then
Here
one
it is
ray.
directly going through the focus. We don't have to actually draw the normal and see. Okay, parallel goes through focus, and
The
then
second one is it goes to the
Sir,
focus and
goes through
one
the
which is going
focus
through focus, obviously in the same.
and it'll
parallel to
after
the principal
reflection it'll
axis.
be parallel to the principal axis.
Reason why? Reason is had a parallel been coming like this, it would have reflected through the focus, right?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah,
The
sir.
angles
Yeah.
are created like same. So if it is going like this, it will go right. So this is the
Yeah,
number
sir.
2 ray. But the coolest ray is, by the way, in this case,
Through
it
the
can't be
center of
drawn.
curvature.
In the
Yeah,
center
the
of
coolest ray is the ray going through the center of curvature.
It'll
What
just
happens to that?
retrace its path.
retrace its
It
path.
retraces its parts. Okay, so if I draw any 2 out of the 3, the object is going to be formed at the same spot. Here also you can see it is getting formed at the same spot, right? The image, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? So these 3
Yeah,
are the
sir.
chosen ones because it avoids measuring the angle. And some idiots in the book, they write this also. Like this is also a chosen one. This is a very bad one, this white one. Why?
Sir, you have to again measure the angle.
Again, I have to measure the angle. So if I had to measure the angle, why so special? Going to the pole and all. Okay, nice name they will put and say pole and all.
Sir, they gave that because principal axis becomes a normal. So
You're
it's easy.
drawing the C. I mean, C you already know. Then drawing the C to the spot, how much it takes time?
No, sir. I don't know how they thought while writing it.
I mean, principal axis. I mean, any spot you draw to the C, it becomes that. No, that is so easy, right? So avoid the white ray. The other 3 rays are the good ones. Parallel goes through focus, going through focus, becomes parallel, and then going through center of curvature just comes back through center of curvature. Is that clear?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Clear.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, we'll do curved mirror next time then. Okay.
So we
Yeah, sir.
already did all the ray diagrams for concave.
Yeah, sir.
Then convex.
Yeah, sir. We have to
Convex
do
is
convex and uses.
yeah. That's its left, sir.
Then I will give you a class 10 video which I did. Okay, towards the end of the video, no, I gave a question to class 10. Okay. Let me see you are able to answer that or not. Is that okay? I'll add you to the class 10 video. Is that clear?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
So
okay.
which video is that?
Class 10 CBSE last video in their course page, whatever is that, no, you watch that. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Sir, and then one more thing in maths for me, we have to cover like in my school we have to cover still 6 chapters, like me, because 6 chapters are still left for the midterm exam. So